everyone, I hope you are all doing great. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use the Telegram app step by step. It's super easy, just follow along with me till the end. Telegram is just like WhatsApp. You can chat, make audio or video calls, and connect with anyone around the world. But before we start, please take a second to subscribe my channel Sonic Tag and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Play Store and type Telegram in the search bar. You will see the Telegram app appear. Tap on it and then hit the install button. Once it's installed, tap open and then click start messaging. Now you will be asked to select your country and enter your phone number. After that, Telegram will ask for a few permissions. Just tap allow on them. Next, it will ask to confirm your number. Press yes, then continue. You will also need to enter your email address and Telegram will send you a verification code there. Open your email, copy the code and paste it back into Telegram. Once verified, your Telegram chat interface will open. Telegram might also ask for permissions. Simply tap allow. Now let's explore some cool features. You can archive any chat. To hide it, tap the three dots on the top right of any chat to see options like mute notification, make a video call, change wallpaper, clear history or delete chat. On the main screen, you will see options like new group, new contact and new channel. New group, create a group with your friends. New contact, add and check if someone is on Telegram. New channel, create your own content sharing channel, just like a mini community. Now let's head to settings. Tap on the three lines on the left and select settings. Here you will see options like chat settings, privacy and settings, notification and sounds, data and storage, devices, language. Let's check out something fun in chat settings. Change chat wallpaper. Here you can pick a background you like and tap set background. You can even apply different wallpaper for each chat. Also, when you open a chat and tap the emoji icon, you will see tons of stickers, emojis and fun animated labels. Perfect for making your chat more expressive. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy learning all about Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sonic Tag for more easy and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.